Where's everybody at? What are y'all doing? Y'all having fun? All right, good morning, everybody. Building permits out this morning. New home sales, 41 minutes. That could be a sizable downside catalyst if it comes out with any kind of miss. Give us a little movement in the market today. New home sales have been, this is the annualized number of new homes sold during the previous month. This is the month-over-month change. As you see, it's still healthy-ish. Like, it's not really, I mean, month-over-month, I guess, since COVID and in the periods of inflation. I mean, you can see, like, it's just such a noisy data set. It's not, like, tanking, right? So it doesn't look too terribly bad. Let's compare to, like, what we've seen in previous recession era type. Like, you know, you've seen, like, let's see, this would have been 2010. This is just noisy data. This is the month-over-month change, though. It's going to be noisy. Let's get this money. What's up? Good morning. So, like, we know that new home sales started to decline in 2006, right? When all those, during the earlier mortgage crisis, when the loans just dried up. New homes are not being sold. People are buying houses left and right with adjustable rate mortgages, and then here's the crash. We've been like on a steady incline since at least COVID. It is certainly mirroring the stock market. Stock market turned around in October of 2022, and around October of 2022, the home sales went up. That's about the time the jolt started coming down as well. Obviously, when the jolts are coming down, people are getting their jobs back. So it's easy to see that people are getting their jobs back. You know, they're more willing to buy a home, things like that, even in light of inflation. Sales aren't too terribly bad. I mean, even compared to, you know, 2016, 2017, I mean, we're still moving high. I mean, this is even in this environment, right? Not terrible, but it could be a catalyst to give us some movement in the market, of course, today. What up, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. I know I'll post Thanksgiving slowness. We're all kind of real recovering. Y'all have a good day with y'all's families. Oh, let's jump on this space this morning. It's been like a whirlwind for me. Computer reset a couple times. I was up most of the night. Hi. Long day. Welcome, Don't be sorry you're late. Better late than never.
For a move up, and then if you pull up IWM on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame, isn't it asymptotic?
Where's everybody today?
Bullish. It just has big resistance up near that 180 area, so if it can get a nice push and pull up that 180 price level to support and show some strength on the chart, then I'm looking for more upside in IWM. IWM both on watch here. Okay, good morning to Shy and Matt. Alex, have you?
Morning, fellow warriors. Today I'm gonna try to get my camera set up so that tomorrow will be camera show. Hardest part about camera show though is where I'm gonna put the camera feed on here. I figure out the best place to put my handsome face. Made it like that. Put my beautiful face down here. Everybody have a happy Thanksgiving, friends. Y'all kill it with the turkey and family and friends. Oh, I've got the live trading and market talk spaces loaded up. All right, looking for that opening run here. Market's looking, and we're going to gap down probably a little tiny bit. And pre-market resilience just shows that like where we currently are currently trading is below the open on Friday, or sorry, below the close on Friday. Black Friday really is not really too eventful of a day, if you guys have noticed. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. But this one wasn't. It's hit or miss. I usually don't trade around holidays. You know, like if you pay attention to what Thanksgiving was like. Here was like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It didn't really do much, right? So if you do anything, you didn't miss anything. This is smart to take like those days off and just kind of let the market figure out what it wants to do. There's not a lot of people in town, you know, a lot of people doing much. Your keyboard has to be broke. It's really that. Wait, my keyboard is broke. What's up, Travis? What up, brother? I'm not typing. You're typing? Is my noise gate not turned on again? What's up? Good morning, everybody. No, it's there. Is that better? I can see like my noise gate a little bit better there. All right, we have an impact line, run length line 4577. Give or take. Okay, let's see what we got out the door. All right, resilience positive, looking good through the box. We'll see again liquidity maps here. Remember, we have a yellow line right here. Right? Anything that's better? Okay. Yeah, let's see what we got here. So look, all signs are pretty stable, at least for now. Mean reversion. So mean reversion setups, let's go. There's really not too actionable on this one. Let's wait for new home sales, probably get something, and might get a reaction off of this, around this yellow line, kind of. This is good, okay. So today you have mean reversion here to middle. With DD band, if at middle, DD band breaks to tie from there. Any break from here is bad, right? So we have resilience is going to help us predict hedge pressure breaks or not. Res less than 0, obviously we're going to hedge pressure break. Res greater than 0, probably float to the middle. Up inside of here, we've probably got about 10 points a move to about 456. So even here, there's a yellow line right at the top. Same spots. Two resistances from two different sources right here anyways. Okay, so this is hard resistance right here. So this is going to likely be the high for today. All right. So no actionability right now, I'd say. Let me kind of make this a little bigger. Actually, let's redo all that. Resilience is negative, positive, negative. It's fighting to be at 0, so we'll see what we have. I don't know if I want to short this though. It's up. No upside trades today for me, so that's going to be kind of a. The question is, how do we end up on here? If DD. Let's see, res less than 0. Res greater than 0. Probably have my pen here is really nice. Really nice to draw on here. What's up, everybody? Smash that like button on the stream real quick. Give us some love. Yeah. So new home sales coming out. Probably 30 minutes now. DD is strong on this one. Open below hedge, trading below hedge. No longs today, guys. Not for me. Nothing yet. Let it do its thing today. My brain is feeling short side today, just temporarily. Just watching this and seeing what it does, giving it some time. All right. With red still being positive, it does hint that there's possibility for hedge pusher breaks. So today, if there's any short setups, the ones that are the most appropriate would be from the high of the day or because resilience goes negative. Okay, now it is flying negative. So keep an eye on this one today. It is fighting to lose. I think that we're getting some kind of downside move. And I think on VIX, let's be very careful here because VIX could possibly 1025 on hedge break could be bad as well. So keep an eye on VIX today. You should want to take the hedge pressure short, yeah. Top of the box could be a target while res is positive. Yeah, so while res is positive, see how it pushed through there right out the door, but now it's kind of fighting, so it doesn't look like it's going to want to do much. You mean the bottom of the box right here with resilience negative. Res negative, right? So that's where we are there. Yeah, no long stay, y'all. This is not a good day for that. For me. This could be some downside day today. From here, the R&R 56 to 36, about a 20 points of push. I'm curious to see. Now, again, I'm going to be patient today. I'd like to see that. So let's just kind of keep our eyes on that today. Very close to the edge on some VIX movement. So yeah, today's probably going to be some downside. Maybe not. I don't think a bounce to rally. Let's just be cautious on this, right? Resilience is fighting. So it's going to try to move up. It's not really that volatile either. So the market's going to tighten very quickly. I'm not chasing a short from here. I think it's going to try to reset. We'll see. We're very close to hedge break, right? Hedge break can cause a little bit of abnormal volatility today. What's up, everybody? Don't forget to smash that like button on the stream, you guys. What up? What up? Okay.
Good morning. Good morning. How you doing, man? Good. It's gonna be an exciting week. And yes. Yeah, Matt, you might be right. This could end up being a red day, but yeah, we'll just play the price action, see where it goes.
Agree, man. I'm looking at 45.65 level to see if we try to reclaim that on the S&P futures right around the turn of the hour.
50% on a firm. I'm scaling another quarter here. Meta 345 call December 1st.
There's the cut point. So this is
490 call December 1st. Nice job, KC.
this could be a very good textbook short today. The R&R is pretty well defined. It's mean reversion. We open in bear zone. Very rare for us to go to bull side on this.
Yeah, really looks like it. Wow, Mikey, great call on AMD. Thank you, sir.
Turn AMD. AMD mean reversion bull long up.
Place push down in video. Does Tesla participate?
All right, let's see if we get all this over here.
Tesla's looking pretty ugly.
All right, I think I'm gonna take a short. BRSU short to monthly.
Shopify, $74 call December 1st. Yeah, I just got long 3 Tesla calls for next week. Yeah, I like the Tesla here a little bit. Roku, $100 call December. Sorry. What's up, Sam? What are you watching?
What's up, guys? Good morning, everybody. I'm next here. I'm actually gonna be short. I'm in SX 45.
Just gonna small starter position here. I'm gonna add to it right here. So just a medium position, big position. So that's all I'm gonna do on this one. Yeah.
Yeah, nice job there.
QQ hedge break to the downside. Impact red line 43.60.
Today was $7.10, and it rocketed straight through that, so I kind of chased it once it got to 28, but I still like the potential for upside. It's still pushing up higher here, new high day.
For 45.61. This is just from earlier. Oh yeah, that was a record Black Friday in sales, wasn't it? Yeah. Keep an eye on VIX today. Rez is fighting but losing. What I start doing is maybe I'll start circling these like red. You know, Nasdaq is positive, S&P is negative. We have a little bit of index divergence here. So I think about the 61 level, I'm looking to see resistance. Your wallet is in the ICU. What happened? What up, Tim? Yeah. Hmm. The market, let's take a look at monthly maps real quick. Let's double check what the numbers are looking like. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream, y'all, by the way. Our Black Friday deal is still kind of going on. And by the way, just FYI, everybody, prices are about to go up for extended trial for everything. That's our next thing on December 1st. So we're going to leave the Black Friday deal on until then. Yearly's going up, lifetime's going up, extended trial, everything's going up. And we told y'all all year we're going to do price raises for the first time, and we're doing it now on the extended trial. Can't tell you what it's going to be, but it's going to be close to double. Just FYI. So if you guys wanted to lock in whatever y'all do Black Friday or whatever packages y'all get with the platform before, because our marketplace is launching very, 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 very soon. This is adjusting things to match that price. So if you're in a price right now and you're in some kind of package, you're in the best deal you'll be in. Don't change anything. So make sure you guys check out those deals and sign up for the platform and get the indicators while you can before we do that, because it'll go up. What time is the risk interval available on Rocket Scooter? We updated overnight. So before the futures market opens, it's updated. Yeah, so here's the, if you're on the extended trial, make sure you take whatever deal that pops up in your platform now. Because everybody in the extended trial past December 1st, your upgrade deal will be much more. So if you see any pop-up deal, you gotta take it. If you are like, what is it? I haven't seen it. Message me, I'll give it to you. The real price will be double that in a week. So, and you can lock in whatever you have now for, you know, the remainder of your membership. The marketplace is going to have a whole different structure of Rocket Scooter platform, indicators, everything is going to be organized differently, I guess. Rocket Scooter will have a free version of its platform. Just give me a little teaser of that. Now, the free version of the platform will not come with any of our tools in it. It'll be a base platform where you can add other tools to it, other people's tools, including ours. There's also a paid version of the platform. They'll have different features, so it'll be a very easy way to sign up. You can basically look at the free platform or pay a little tiny bit for a paid platform. They'll have a couple different perks between them, and then you'll buy indicators and tools a la carte. But if you're in like the Pro Plus right now, it is going to be cheaper staying there, and we'll convert you seamlessly to the new packages at the same price. So when all is said and done, the extended trial is going to be in the range of like $60 a month, give or take, without announcing the real price. And the total package with everything we have will be closer to like $150. Okay. Quick bathroom break. I'll be right back. All right. You said you can't connect to your futures right here. Make sure you're typing in your password right. Oh, just make sure, yeah, make sure you've typed it in. If your connection's bad, or the platform connection, you can always refresh your platform and see if that just reestablishes your token. Yeah, not looking so good today. You remember we have 9 minutes until that news comes out. Probably try to play my position a little heavier off of that event when it comes out. So we're just kind of waiting for 9 o'clock. Or 9 o'clock my time. It was a good trade, I think, today to set up on the short side. I'm just waiting on about 6 more minutes to go. Let's look at some data today. A pretty decent earnings week this week. Decent-ish. Maybe like today. I had some movers, but not like market breaking movers. Just a little bit. There we go. There's that red line. Let's get right up on it. That's where I want to be. Don't target would be obviously you know, DD band at the bottom, so the R&R is not too bad on this. Resilience is progressively getting worse, so the box is probably it. The resolution seems to be really bad. On your YouTube settings, there should be a little gear in the bottom right where you can actually change your resolution to 1080p. On our end, it's pretty. We set the resolution outbound to be that, so 1080 should be where you. The YouTube tag. Oh yeah. You got it, Joe? There you go. Cool. All right, so this is the impact red line technique. Right now I'm looking for the market to not create a catalytic type resistance here, right? Red lines always create that, you know. If you go down, we talk about this, like, you know, and create, like, go up or down, you create a red line, right? We call them red lines. They're called illiquidity pivots. If they're not captured, the market, they stay for a while, and the market can be very violent. So I'm looking for that just to be my resistance today. Yeah, so let's look, monthly map on S&P is still strong and bullish, right? QQQ, still the same, strong and bullish. VIX still in decay, right? I mean, the market looks really, really, really good for just like not collapsing on itself, right? Still trying to be bullish. I'm just taking on the surface level here. Market is going to have a hard time selling. All I'm looking for now is any pressure that's coming on the market to create a volatility move that's going to catalyze volatility. There we go. That's what I want to see. There's that data. Oops. All right, so we have the new home sales coming out. Ooh, that's a huge... It was 679. That's almost at yearly lows. Well, close to it. 679 is a huge miss on new home sales. What about the month over month? And the building permits as well, or this morning. 5.6, damn, okay. That's not that good. A little down here. Res is starting to push positive. Oh, that's 759. Last time 675, so it came in at a 629 today. Or 679. That puts us about close to... Oh, I can't... I wish I wouldn't show the little thing. About right here where my mouse is. Like, so it's about like right here. It's winter time. Clearly, you know, not a lot of new home sales. Leading into the holidays, people don't usually move, you know, their kids and stuff in the middle of the school year. This little seasonality of that as well. I'm just taking that red line on the short. That's where I'm taking my position on. Resilience is strong-ish right here, but it's still not doing a lot. It is fighting. So if it takes off here, then we break up to the upside. That's a pretty big squeeze on that one. So I'm taking that setup that we can have the rejection there. Nasdaq is starting to recover though, so that's interesting to see that today. What do you guys think? Yeah, so like, you know, you don't need volatility to, you know, volatility obviously assists a rapid move on a short side trade. You don't need it. The selling can create volatility, and that's what I'm looking for, because around the edge. But it could, like for a short side trade, I'd like to see like volatility potential there. And the potential is there. It just needs to break hedge pressure. So you're right. BRSU is volatility decay kind of, right? So what I'm hoping for is that just with that downside pressure that we have from here, it can create some volatility, but the market is looking to kind of stabilize a little bit, but it's not there yet. It's still looking somewhat bad. I'm just following the data, right? You get like a nice little bull trap here would be great. Res negative, market going up. Yeah, I think we go down today. Okay, so red line is gone. I think my setup is good today. Boom, 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 boom. Still the res is still negative here, so still waiting on this to reject half cap and reject hedge pressure right here. So that's what I'm looking for. This is the split right here. Nasdaq is trying to break session highs. It's trying to. It's touching the top part of that 1640s level, it would take. We still have resilience negative. No lights, so things are looking good for that. We'll see. The R&R is pretty good on this one if it moves. Oops. Make sure I keep an eye on that right there. That's starting to recover as well. Damn, unlucky me again today. Well, we'll see. It's barely there. Let's see which we got on this side. Oops. Actually, let's do this. Apple on here real quick. Apple rejecting half gap on the downside here. So it's not Apple that's on the edge. It is going to be Google. Yeah. Where are these lines right here? Oh, gap fills on Google. Okay. So yeah, we're starting to get some saving on the resilient side of things. Leave Apple on the sidelines here just to see. That's the next one to break. Goes to the upside. $435 on monthly hedge. So there's the make or break here today on the resilient side of things. It is starting to recover, which I don't like. I don't like it, but I'm still sticking with it. Yeah, just waiting on this one to move a little bit. So it is starting to build up against me, this trade is. So resilience continuing to press forward is not the best sign for the trade I'm in. There, get a little drop on resilience there. Narcan's starting to pick up a little bit of steam. And there's that resilience push negative from middle to box. Looking pretty solid there. Like I said, if I get the trade setup I want, it's not too terrible. Just gonna draw this up real quick here. We're gonna have about like right here. Yeah, it's fighting. Like, definitely fighting. Trying to see which stocks are the ones pressing around the other side. Microsoft. Oh, that would be a Microsoft thing. Okay. Lower risk interval correction, yeah. Does popping sound in and out like a CB? Okay, I'll look into it. The music is cutting in and out. I'm watching that the feed and the noise gate's actually feeding the music into the main feed for the microphone. That's one of the things I need to double check. Yeah, I'm noticing the same thing. So let me go to my audio. Broadcast stream. TC. You guys are right. Where is that app at? It would be popping in and out. Because I think I have the music routed through my mic. The mix for the stream is all routed the same spot. And I'm using the noise gate on the encoder side of things, which is going to use the music as part of the noise gate calculation, which shouldn't be... Let me reroute this. Hold on. You guys are right. Okay, let me test this out really quick. Oh, I hear the static. I hear it. I hear it. What you're hearing is my computer sounds. Those are the fans in my room. And it's just cutting on and off. Let me turn my suppressor on. That sounds better. No, I heard what Carmel was saying. Yeah, I heard it. Yeah, we are getting some fight here. No, what was happening is that the noise gate, I have everything routed to one audio channel essentially for the stream input and the encoder, so I could control like everything independently, and then the music and all that stuff goes into one source. But the noise gate I was using is not independent on the mic. The noise gate I was using was actually on the encoder itself, which included all the things together. So what happened was when the music would get loud, it would open up the noise gate when I wasn't talking, and then you'd hear like a psst, psst, which is basically just hearing the fans on my computer turn off on and on really quick while it was just triggering the gate to open. It's audio stuff. You were right, Carmel. I didn't have my noise suppression turned on in this as well. I need to figure out. Ever since I reformatted my computer, everything is I forgot to redo all my settings on this. All right, just kind of waiting for this trade to take off. So hopefully we'll get something well, something good going on here. Oh, nice. Nice PC on Black Friday. Ryzen. Water cool. Can't wait. Dude, that's awesome, man. Superstitious around resilience. Maybe so, right? It's still in that kind of like chop zone. Market's starting to push against me now. Oh, not good. I don't like this. Boo. Not getting any volatility today. Volume traditionally low the Monday after Thanksgiving. I wouldn't say that I wouldn't say that it is going to be the highest volume day of the year. I would say that it depends on people still being out of town. Thanksgiving isn't one of those holidays where people go out of town for like very long periods of time. They come back by Monday, since it's a Thursday holiday, right? And also it's just an American holiday for the most part. And so globally, people aren't celebrating Thanksgiving around the world. Like other holidays, like wintertime holidays, Christmas or the equivalent of some other winter holiday around the world. Everybody's doing something around that time. And typically tend to travel for weeks at a time. Sometimes. But yeah, say after Sunday after Thanksgiving. Like it's not the Monday after. It's not the busiest day of the year, but it's certainly not going to be a dead day. It's business as usual. Totally like watching paint dry. I know. I hate it. I don't know if this trade's going to work out today. Not a big fan of it. Why did I place a 10 million order? Is that me? Did I buy 10 million worth of something? Oh, sorry, my mic is muted. So James, your question, good predictable days and like solid bull markets, you know, like we had 2010 to like 2020, or actually 2008 to 2020. ish. You know, the big long bull market, most days out of the month are stable, predictable ish to a degree. Not so choppy, not so crazy. These last 2 years have been interesting trading. It's trading environment I've never really experienced before. I think quantitative tightening has allowed, you know, like obviously without the liquidity of the Fed, has allowed more irrational days to step in. Blah, unpredictable days, or days where it's just kind of like on the fence or choppy. You get a lot more of that in a bear market. I think, you know, you're not just getting like waves of liquidity. When everyone's bullish, the market moves up and down in waves, and it's a lot easier to trade those markets than like days like this where you're just kind of like sitting on the edge and waiting for like who's the next person that's going to do something, where everybody's kind of 50-50 different directions. So we're getting some good data, you know, for what a bear market looks like. A lot of irrational days. I mean, those lights in a bull market can be like green and yellow most days out of the month, right? No selling pressure, no volatility, no action today, really. Just resilience being right at 0. That's the only thing I'm hanging on to. Yeah, well, stocks are in a bull market. Doesn't mean they can't sell off in a bull market, right? So DD98 means the majority of stocks market caps pushing in a bull zone. But if they're really high in a bull zone, they can still pull back in a bull market a day or two, right? So correct. Like the majority of stocks are sitting in a gamma positive position where calls are in the money. Fed liquidity? That I don't know. I know there's like balance sheet data where you can kind of see what the Fed is doing on their balance sheet. But that's a good question. Maybe somebody here has an idea. right, I got to go in about 4 minutes. I got a meeting we got to run to. Resilience is going to squeeze me out. No, like it. Yeah, I don't like to see that. Bull zone touch before we run. Yeah, I mean, below hedge pressure, hopefully stay below hedge pressure for the day. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. ABF, I didn't see your question. Hold on. You're dating MQ right now. How many MES points do you plan to win on your currently open trade? Oh, okay. So what I'm looking for in the R&R on this one is in case we get a hedge pressure break on UVXY and we tend to trade down for the rest of the day. My lower target is always the first resistance we find. So either some kind of a gap fill or the DD band. So let's go here and show you on SPY like where the gap fills are. So that one's already been. Let's move this over here. So usually this would be a target, or this 4328 would be here, so whichever one happens first. Upper range for Qs. Always upper DD band for sure, unless there's a resistance in the way. The Qs would be right about 16 or whatever Q would be equivalent for the 16125 NASDAQ. So upper D band would be the upper target there. So my R&R on this trade is about 1.7 to 1 from here. Not too bad. If this gets to be there, this can go to there, and now you get the gap fill. And I might close, hold a runner, and the rest. All right, guys, got to get out of here. It's time to go. Fill you on later, of course. Always we'll have a Zoom call. End of the day, like we always do, when the market session is over. We love you all. Thanks for tuning in and coming in after your holiday and on Cyber Monday, hanging out with us, learning to trade with Mark. So don't forget, we have our Black Friday deal still going on, yearly and lifetime. Yearly 60% off, lifetime 20%. Check it out before it goes away. December 1st, all across the board, our whole new models coming out. Prices going up, everything. Marketplace is coming out very soon. We're excited to release that to everyone. So we will see you guys later, and we love you all to death. And see you tomorrow, or see you at 4 when the market's closed.